Hello YouTube, so I thought while I go out and run I would blow your mind because I'm going to give you 10 sentences that will at least make you like, what? And I don't know, even question why you're studying Swedish. No, I don't want you to question that because it's valuable, because then we can talk to each other having fika. Anyway, what we're gonna focus on today are homographs and homophones. And I've done a few of these before, but now we're gonna mix them up. And for those of you who don't know, homographs are words that look the same but mean different things, or could mean different things, or even be pronounced differently. And homophones, well, they're the opposite when it comes to sound. They sound the same, but they might be spelled differently, or they might have different meanings. You'll know what I mean. You'll know what I mean. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go run, and I'm gonna stop and give it to you sentence-wise along the way.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin. Yeah.
All right, and the first sentence is ett lätt läte lättade lätten. Ett lätt läte lättade lätten. I know, right? One more time. Ett lätt läte lättade lätten. Shout out to Latvians. All right, keep up with me when it comes to this one. Men jag menar män med men. Men jag menar män med men. I know. Men jag menar män med men. Let's go. All right, here's a short one, literally. Ett kort kort. Ett kort kort. So if you see trains in Stockholm that says kort tåg, it doesn't mean you need a card. It means that the train is shorter than usual. Ett kort kort. All right, this is a horse one. En man manade en man med en man. En man manade en man med en man. Meaning that the second man had a mane. He didn't incite him with a mane, because that would be weird. How would that work? En man manade en man med en man. Den modiga modern var modern. Den modiga modern var modern. So Swedish word for mother is moder, and if it's the definite form the, then you add an n and then you get the same word as modern and modern. All right, we're gonna put this into overdrive with a double homograph. Are you ready? Are you ready? Woo, woo, woo. What? It's happening right now. Okay. En japan från Japan flög planet till en planet. En japan från Japan flög planet till en planet. I know, right? En japan från Japan flög planet till en planet. Are your minds blown yet? And here's a story about a man named Tom. Tom var en tum tomte. Tom var en tum tomte. I bet he can turn it around. New Year's Eve promises, here we come. Tom var en tum tomte. All right, a short one. Stegen upp för stegen. Stegen upp för stegen. I know. You're like, he's so cool for thinking about these things. Stegen upp för stegen. I'm getting tired. Okay, next one. This is also a tricky one. Okay, you ready? En vän till vän. En vän till vän. And vän, the last vän, is actually a small island, which you will have seen if you watched my The Swedish Language on Instagram post about this island back in, I guess, August, September. En vän till vän. Now, before I give you the last sentence, I'm going to bring you up the hill of hell, all the way up. And there, when I get to the top, I will let you know the last sentence. And this hill is actually part of the 15K route that I have never taken. I walked it just to feel it, but I never ran it. But the goal is to do it at some point And this is where it starts to get steep. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but God, you can do it. Is it okay to post pain like this on YouTube? Oh, legs starting to give up. Little boy, one more sentence. Legs giving up. Walking the last bit. 6 meters. 4 meters. For you. I'm up. The last sentence is short. Thankfully. En rain. En rain. I can't roll my R. In the rain. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I didn't confuse you or scare you off from the language I speak. And this was just another mark on my way to 150 exercises in 2021. Oh wow, that was exhausting. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Do follow the Swedish language on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, why not subscribe? You're still here watching this video. If you get a kick out of me in this beautiful state of mind. I'll see you next time.